Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. Today, we're going to talk about how you can rank on the first page of Google in 2025. So, there are things that you need to do in order to rank on Google, on the first page of Google in 2025. The first thing you need to do is you need to focus on creating high quality user focused content. So, of course, the more user focused your content is, the more clickability it gets. And at the same time, you need to optimize your search intent and you need to create backlinks, meaning you need to have a high score in terms of your SEO or your searchability online. And with this, you need to create content that is quite informative, engaging, and usually solves questions or user queries. At the same time, in terms of search intent, you need to understand what the users are looking for. So when they type or search a term, make sure that your content will appear once they search. With that, you need to identify some relative keywords to target your audience very, very easily. Now, one way to do this is through Google Ads. Google Ads provides a lot of options. So here you can create campaigns, conversion action, and assets. So for campaign right here, you can create your campaign objectives right there. And at the same time, they have you can create goals here, summary of your goals, value rules, and you can also measure or you can measure conversion path and path metrics to see how searchability wise or ad wise how you're doing. And then apart from Google, if you're looking to boost your SEO or your searchability online, we would recommend utilizing this app, vidIQ. vidIQ helps you create various things that will help you trend online. It can help you find trending keywords, create thumbnails, find trending videos, generate video content, and at the same time, the best part about this is you can connect your YouTube channel or your Google account to vidIQ to better process or to better help you process your campaign. So, for example, here, let's search a keyword, let's say figurines. As you can see here, you have an overall scoring here on how searchability wise figurines is. And as you can see here, it has a low score. So if we'll change this term to toys, it gets a higher score. So these are just some of the things that are really quite important. If you're going to post a product online, create an ads online, or post a portfolio online, it's important that you find the correct keywords to make sure that you're on that top landing page. So as you can see here, vidIQ already gives you the search volume and the overall scoring as well. Apart from this, it can also help you create something like videos or outliers right here. It can also generate ideas through AI and it can help you create ideas like topics for the day. You can help answer your audience and it also provides coaching for you through AI again. Similar to ChatGPT, just type in anything here. Like example, this one and automatically it gives you a suggestion already on the caption. So these are just some of the things that you need to learn in order for you to land on the top page of Google this 2025. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.